In the hustle of the ER, where the pace is non-stop, you've got patience flowing in like a never-ending shop. You grab a little specimen, but before you let it go, there's a tiny step that's vital, and everybody's gotta know. Would you send a letter out without a name or place? Or file a chart with nothing on the front page face? Would you bring a lunch to work in a look-alike box and not label it at all? You'll be playing lunchroom roulette rocks. Slap the label on or write the name on. Stick it, stamp it, come on, just label it. 2 IDs strong, you can't go wrong. Name, date of birth or MRN, just label it. Now the lab techs do their magic, but they can't if it's a mystery. An unmarked urine cup becomes a choose-your-own-adventure history. Handwritten works fine, stickers shine like gold, but 2 good identifiers, that's the rule we uphold. Would you shelf a med without the dose or name? Or leave a newborn bracelet blank? That'd be wild in this game. We label meds, we label charts, we label tubes, we draw. So don't stop with the urine, help protect the lab and law. Slap the label on or write the name on. Stick it, write it, come on, just label it. 2 IDs strong, you can't go wrong. Name, date of birth or MRN, just label it. Now imagine in the ER 3 cups sit in a row, all shiny on the counter like a specimen game show. A doctor says, I swear I know which one is Emily's. But the tech says, hold up, doc, this needs more than expertise. The lights go low, the cups get moved, the 3-card money shuffle groove. Is it this one, that one, front or back? Well, even magic can't fix what the label lacks. Slap the label on or write the name on. Stick it, write it, come on, just label it. 2 IDs strong, you can't go wrong. Name, date of birth or MRN, just label it. See, no tricks, no guesses, no sleight of hand. This isn't a trick if you just label it.
All specimens need to be labelled. Never leave a specimen on a counter unlabelled. As your professional college requires for all of your other activities, you must have at least 2 identifiers. You can use the full name, date of birth, or a number such as PHN. Patients can switch beds, so do not use a bed or room number. Lids can get mixed up, so the label goes on the container.